Join our excavators, bulldozers, dump trucks, and cranes as they build amazing things. Subscribe now.
Hi friends, ready to build a playground? You bet, Eddie. I'm ready, and I'll lift everything. Hi friends, what a sunny day. Time to wave hello. Hee, this is fun.
Beep beep. Hi Eddie.
Hi Bobby, ready to dig? You bet.
Hi everyone. I'm here with the tools.
Now we built the playground.
Great teamwork. Hi team. Hi Carl. Let's look at the plan. Yeah, it's so colorful. I love it. See the plan? The slide goes right here. Right. I'll clear the path.
And I'll bring the sand.
Teamwork. Let's clear this ground.
Sand delivery.
Time to dig. Okay, team. Markers down. First hole coming right up. Great work, Eddie.
I'll take this extra dirt away. And I'll flatten the ground to make it smooth.
Lifting the first pole. You got it, Carl. I'll place it carefully. Great work, team. On to the next one. I brought the slide. I'll lift it high. I'll guide it into place. Teamwork makes it fun. Hooray! Danny's here. Hi, friends. I brought the colorful climbing bars.
Hey, let's play.
Up we go, climbing frame. I've got it secure, Carl. Now to smooth the ground. Here's more sand. Painting this swing blue. Great flag job, buddy. Hey, so colorful. Wow, Carl. Look at those flags. Hey, watch this.
Yay, Ray.
Wow, the playground is finally complete. It looks beautiful. We did a great job. Teamwork really paid off.
Yay, the park is ready. You bet. Go have fun. Be safe, little ones. Yay, the playground is ready.
Our pleasure, kids.